Today I'm back again with yet another powerful AI tool that could convert your ideas into videos. And the name is Fliki AI. Now this is an example video that I created using Fliki AI. Let me show you the results.
3 tips to help you lose weight. 1. Don't skip breakfast. Skipping breakfast will not help you lose weight, and you could miss out on essential nutrients. 2. Eat regular meals. Eating at regular times during the day helps burn calories at a faster rate and reduces the temptation.
So you can see how powerful this tool is, but it is not as simple as AutoShots AI or Wizard AI that we just covered last week. It's going to be a bit technical because this is more like a video editor. So don't worry, I'm going to explain all the major features in a second. But first, let's go and discuss the pricing for this app. Fliki AI has a free tier, which means you can use it for free. But of course, there are a few limitations, like you can only get 5 minutes of credit per month, which is a bit restricting. But of course, if you just want to test it out, that's the best option available. And once you're done testing it out, you can go with the standard, the premium one, or the team plan as well. So with that said, let's actually get started and start exploring Fliki AI. So back here at the dashboard, as you can see, we have different files that I created. One is a video that you guys already watched, and there's a sample audio as well. But what we're going to do is we're going to create a new file, and I'm going to show you different features that Fliki AI actually packs. So to create a new file, all you have to do is just click on new file here. Then you can select whether you want an audio file or a video or a design that you're creating. So I'm going to go with the video, and here you can name it. So I'm going to go with just about anything like just testing. And as for the language, you can select from all the languages out there with a dialect as well. So this one is going to be English, United States dialect. Then you can select the aspect ratio. Now, if you're going for social media apps that has a portrait view, then you can go with 9:16. But if you're going with a landscape or more of a square view, you can go with 101 or 16:9. It's really up to you. But because I'm targeting TikTok and YouTube Shorts, I'm going to go with the portrait one here. And after that, in the start with, you can choose an idea, a prompt, a script, a blog, even a tweet or a product. So I'm going to go with idea because I want to generate this using AI. So I'm going to go and give it a prompt, and after that, generate a video out of that. So let's go and submit. Now here in the prompt section, you will have to give an idea about the video, a motivation video on 3 healthy tips to gain muscle. So I'm going to go and write that here. And after that, you can assign the maximum duration for the video. It can be 2 minutes, 1 minute, or below. But notice that as soon as you go above 1 minute, it says that you need to upgrade your plan because you cannot make a video more than 1 minute long using your free plan. So I'm going to go with 1 minute video here. After that, it's going to ask me if I want the stock media to only be videos or I want the images as well. So I'm going to go with stock videos. That's a more suitable option. After that, what you can do is you can even go with AI media. And now if you click on here, what you need to do is it will generate videos using AI, but of course, it's going to go and ask you to upgrade the plan. On free plan, you just get the AI generated images. So I'm going to go with the stock media for now, but I really wanted to show you that you can actually use AI generated videos as well. And after that, let's go and submit because AI avatar as well as the sound effects and headings are logged in the free version. So let's go and submit. And there you go. Within a minute, it generated the video for you. And now what you can do is if you scroll all the way up, you can see all the scenes in the video, the first scene, the second scene, and so on. And you can even change these scenes by just clicking on them, then changing the script. You can even change the voiceover as well as the media. And you can pretty much change about anything in the video. So let's go and check out the results first.
Ever wished you could build muscle faster? Ready to learn 3 game-changing tips that can transform your gains? Tip 1. Prioritize protein intake. Eat high-protein foods like chicken, fish, and beans. Protein rebuilds and strengthens your muscles. Tip 2. Use progressive overload. Gradually increase weights in your routine.
I think the results are quite good for the free version, and I'm pretty sure if you upgrade to the premium version, you're going to get more features, and then you can get more premium content generated using Fliki. Now, these were all the major options that you needed to create any video using Fliki AI, but I wanted to show you a few other options, like if you go with any of these details and you want to change this, what you can do is you can click on this auto pick, which is really crazy. It's going to go on and go to the stock resources and then automatically pick a suitable content for this scene and then plug it right in here. What else you can do is you can change the height, width, pretty much everything about the media that you have selected, as well as the opacity, the volume, timing, animation, everything. As for the voiceover, you can even select different voiceovers, like we have already selected this Maya here. You can actually go on and select all of these voices, but of course, a few of them are going to be for the upgraded version, like this Jenny voice here. And the best part is you can even try voice cloning and then clone your very own voice or any celebrity's voice into your video. But let's stay on the track. Once you're done and satisfied with your video, all you have to do is just click on this download button here. This will download a high resolution video for you, but notice that you can only get 720 pixels resolution in the free version. But of course, if you upgrade, you're gonna go with the 1080p. But for now, all you have is the 720 pixel resolution. So you can go and start the export by just clicking here and start it. So this was Fliki AI, yet another amazing tool to create videos using AI. I've covered a lot of different tools that generate videos for YouTube and TikTok and other platforms as well. But to me, Fliki AI is going to be one of the more flexible option if you want to be more flexible with your content and you want to add almost anything in your content. You can use Fliki AI and it will do the job for you. And that wraps up our video for today. I hope you found this video valuable. If you found this video insightful, hit the like button. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Ring the notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video where we continue to curve your skills with the latest tech. Till then, stay curious and keep exploring.